Guys, what's up? So it's my day off, so I am chilling in my overalls, and I finally got caught up on my recorded video content. So I thought, since this has been here for a couple of days, that I would do an unboxing for you and show you what I just bought. Should be pretty cool. Let's tear into this and check it out. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. Let's see what we got here. So I have another order here from Auvenbloom. Remember them? Well, I saw they had a new soap scent, and I just had to try this one because I grew up on an 80-acre farm in Michigan in a small town, and I used to love putting up hay. So I wanted to see if this stuff actually smells like hay. Let's see if she's got a scent profile on here. I don't see one. Here we go. Scent blend, new mown hay with notes of sweet balsam combined with vetiver, cedar wood, and fresh air. And I like this. She's got a quote by Dwight L. Moody here. Faith makes all things possible. Love makes all things easy. For those of you who are not familiar with Moody, he was a Christian scholar and theologian. So I have to say, this does kind of smell like hay, which is really exciting to me. Like I mean, with things like soap, they're going to take something like hay and put it in soap. I always kind of go, I'll believe it when I see it. I don't know how she did it, but this smells like hay. So I've done business with Marcia many times before. This is probably the third or fourth time I've ordered her soaps, and I've never been disappointed. Her products are really well made, well packaged. Just look at the artwork on here. You know, this is somebody that just took some time to make this nice. There's some kind of a two-tone color scheme going on here. I'm not sure how she did that, but that's pretty cool. And look at this logo. I don't know if you can see that, Auvenbloom Gardens. I'm trying to get it where it'll focus. Anyway, I love her soaps too because they always have this kind of rough side where they look like they were broken off of somewhere, which is perfect for this because that's something we do on the farm. If we would made our own soaps, we probably would have just busted off one end and take a hunk for yourself, you know. But I also really like her products because she uses all natural ingredients. None of this chemical crap that's in a lot of store-bought soaps. Let me read this ingredients list to you real quick. Olive oil, palm oil, water, sodium hydroxide, aloe vera juice, coconut oil, avocado oil, Babassu oil, castor oil, fragrance, mica, titanium oxide, tin oxide, chromium oxide, green, iron oxide, and Enviroglitter. I don't know what Enviroglitter is, but it sounds like serious stuff. I love this. I am really, really excited to try this. So look for a first scrub on this in the future. I've got a few soaps to go through before I get to it. And like any good businesswoman, Marcia knows the value of firsthand experience. And so she sent me another one of her soaps to check out. This is Balsam and Cedar. And wow, I mean, I'm going to see if I can get, can you see the colors on this? This is like 3 or 4 different colors in here. And what's the scent blend on this? Refreshing balsam, pine, cedar wood, and eucalyptus with hints of orange, raspberry, and plum. So, really like that too. Let's, Yeah, definitely you can smell the cedar in there and the pine. Why don't they sell soaps like this at the grocery store? What a world it would be. The possibilities. But that's okay. I'm thankful that Marcia sells them from, where is she located here? Sterling, New York. So I'm guessing that's upstate New York somewhere. If you haven't checked out Auvenbloom Gardens, she's on Etsy. You can search for, you could probably do a Google search and find her shop. She has some great stuff. She has some great scents on her page any given time. Her stuff changes all the time. Every time I go back there, I find something new. So it's not like it's the same old, and she never changes her product mix. She's constantly innovating, trying new things, offering new varieties, and she's got stuff that would appeal to men and would appeal to women alike. So she's really, really good at marketing to a broad audience, and I like that. So, and she always sends a personalized thank you on her packing slip, which is nice. Even the packing slip smells good. So, just make sure there's nothing else in here. No, that's it. But I got to tell you guys, these 2 soaps smell killer. I can't wait to try these. So that's it. Just a quick unboxing. Wanted to let you check out what is coming up in the future. I will be doing first scrub videos on both of these soaps to tell you all about my first experience with them. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, I reckon I'm gonna sit back in my overalls here and have me some vittles and pick my guitar and wait until it's time to do another video. Thank you guys for supporting me. Smash the like, subscribe, and come back and see me again. Y'all take care. Bye.